Hi guys, we have this Wai Wai Hakka Noodles. So in this video, let's see its review and recipe. This is 180 gram pack, has MRP of rupees 50, but you get this pack for rupees 40 from Amazon. And these are the salted noodles, so we won't have to add salt while boiling these. And inside this pack, there is this seasoning also. So coming to the recipe, in a large vessel, take 8 cups of water, and once the water start boiling, add noodle pack. Now stir and boil for 2-3 minutes until the noodle turn al dente. Okay, now drain off the noodles, rinse with cold water. Noodle will be non-sticky like this. Keep it aside, and in a large wok, preferably iron one, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and then add garlic cloves, ginger, spring onion and stir fry on high flame, and now add half sliced onion. Continue to fry on high flame and then add veggies, half capsicum, half cabbage, a carrot. Stir fry until the vegetables shrink slightly. Further add chili sauce, soya sauce, vinegar, tomato sauce and stir fry until the sauces combine well. Now add boiled noodles, salt, a little bit of pepper powder and stir fry for 1 minute. Lastly, some spring onion and the seasoning which was inside the pack. Stir fry and enjoy veg hakka noodles garnished with more spring onions, and it just tastes good. It has the perfect texture and cooking retain the more flavor on the surface. I really like the noodles, and from one pack you can make 2 bowls of this size. And the masala was good. It was not spicy at all. I would suggest you to add a green chili while making these noodles. That would give you the perfect spice level. And overall, it's a good product. I think you should give it a try. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.